Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's really happening, guys? Today it's Thursday, and we can see that on our economic calendar, we have like very few economic news. 2:30, we have jobless claims. Is this one? So jobless claims, guys, it's good when the numbers are going down. So it's different from other economic events. So if jobless claims or unemployment claims it's going down, it means okay, there are very few people who are not working than when the number is going up. You see, so the lower the number, the better, and that will boost the way the market is actually moving. If it's going to be positive, let's say if the numbers are going to go up, it means there's people who are losing their jobs as they apply for, that's why we see people apply for jobless claims and benefits and stuff like that. So which means that is not really good for the economy. All right. So later we have services PMI. So this mostly it has to be around 50 going up. So if it's anything less than that, most likely that is going to be bad news for those who don't know. So, but the bigger event that we are waiting for, it's actually NFP, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys. So what I'm seeing here, what I see here is the market will most likely try to do its thing, to reverse, to reset, to do all those things before higher impact news. And from there, it's where the market will start to move very nice. So which means sometimes it's not really a very good idea to trade days before the news, because the market tends to move crazy. You will see, you will see that the market doesn't really move very nice. But besides that, you can see yesterday we saw ADP, it was positive, aggressively positive. You can see it was better than expected. And also job openings, they were also higher. So it seems like NFP might go up, and this will make the dollar to be quite stronger. I hope that makes sense. And if it's going to be stronger, when it comes to rate cuts, I think instead of cutting with maybe 50 basis points like previously, I think maybe they will go with 25 basis points, because when the economy is starting to gain that momentum, it's no longer a good thing for them to cut the rate, you see. So, and we can see here that the dollar, it was trying to reverse, which means it was stronger. Dollar, it was quite strong. So this is what we have. We can easily see that the market it's been actually going lower. You can see that. So the market has been showing us that it's going down, but it's not really surprising because we had a nice ranging structure there. I think these structures, guys, they will look nice on a daily time frame, but it's fine. I will try to zoom this. So you can see that the market has been actually showing us that yes, we are consolidating. So which means maybe tomorrow it's where we will see the market reversing here just to continue with this formation that we have of ranging, or maybe the market will end up breaking out. Do you see that? And the higher or the stronger the dollar, it means the rates should be, or they have to cut the rates, because when this dollar start to go up, it means that even other things are starting to actually slowly starting to go higher. We see. But at the moment, we can't just conclude. Maybe the market is going to respect this area. Obviously, this type of a move, this reversal here, you will see this effect on other pairs. Whether it's GBPUSD, they might be selling at the moment. Nasdaq, it might be selling. Euro USD, it might be selling. Most of them. USD JPY, it might be buying because of this reversal. But once the market tends to go back again, you might find those pairs moving in a different direction. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So you can see this is what I was talking about. So those news seems to be, or let's say the dollar seems to be getting stronger again. You see, we had a buy pending order there, and it seems like the market actually did not really respect that. But the overall structure, just because we see a sell there, we can't start to panic and say, oh, we are on a sell mode. No, the market has to reverse. We can see that the market actually, here we were overbought. So which means the market has to reverse a little bit. Maybe we'll find a nice support here, or maybe even this area, but I don't think maybe we're gonna reach this level, unless if maybe NFP is going to be quite stronger again. So guys, please don't mind the screen flickering. My network is very bad. So yes, at the moment we don't really have any choice. I think this area is where I'm expecting to see that nice support. I think the market will be reaching that level. Or if maybe we can check, can we have something like this? Nope, you can see that the market already broke out of this. If maybe the market was going to move like that, that is no longer valid. So which means the only structure that we have is this previous support. It was a previous support. We can say it was a previous resistance. You can see that. So now I'm expecting the market to reach this level, then to go higher. This move, it's because we saw two events, job openings and ADP, non-employment, whatever, going stronger. So which means this move is influenced by those events, but it doesn't really mean we're going to see a breakout. The market can still respect that and start to go higher. Do you see that? So which means we have to relax and see if maybe the market will be touching this level and go higher. But since we are on an uptrend, the market can reverse anyway. That's why it's not really a good idea sometimes just to jump on and sell anywhere, because the overall structure here, we are still on that nice uptrend structure. You can see that we still see a very nice bullish move there. So let's push to the next one. Yeah, now we are on gold. So I'm trying to be as quick as possible before the network start to give me like moods. So what's really happening on gold? We can easily see that where we are still at the highest level. Yes, I think we can still have maybe reversals, but it's not really happening on gold. Even though we saw other pairs struggling, we saw gold, the dollar stronger. But the reason behind this, the stronger the dollar, it happens mostly because we have tensions in the Middle East, Russia, Ukraine, all that, you see. So those weaknesses or those geopolitics, they fuel gold to keep going up. So most likely when there is wars, or let's say when there is instability in the world, gold tends to be way too valuable at that time. So it might still fly regardless of the dollar. The dollar can still be stronger, and it might surprise you. Even tomorrow, maybe on NFP might be positive, but you might still see gold not really doing anything. Why? Because everyone is not going to focus on only one event when there is other events which they've been happening for more than 2 months, 6 months. You see, we have geopolitics, we have tensions which are been happening. So do you think people in those countries do care about NFP? No, they care about their assets. So immediately they have to do something. They have to maybe buy gold reserves and stuff like that. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. So that's what I was trying to this is what I'm trying to actually show you, and so that you understand why gold is not really going down that much. I hope that makes sense. You see. So now let's push to the next one, which is let's see, which is US30. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, guys. So for those who wants to be part of the team, pause that video, check which one do you want there, scan that QR code, WhatsApp me, then you can be part of the team. So let's go back on US30. US30, you can see that Yeah, it's struggling, but not really that much. The overall structure, we are still on that nice uptrend. I'm still expecting to see that continuation of that buy. But where we are, it seems like the market is still playing games. It seems like the market is trying to tell us that let's relax and wait for NFP, then we can act. If we know the results tomorrow, then it's going to be easier for us to jump straight to the market. At the moment, we can see this is just telling us that wait, the market is not going anywhere. If you check from this area to this point, you will see that this is almost 2 weeks. The market is not like really moving that much. So, which means we can't do anything until we have those results. Maybe we will see a nice push to the upside, or maybe the market will be trying to bounce back up to this point before we see another push to the upside. Because the overall structure, yes, we are still on that nice uptrend. We can say, yeah, it seems like the market is overbought, but since we broke out of this nice resistance here, I'm still expecting to see a proper push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq is also playing games with us. So you can see that, yes, the market has been trying to go up, but what is really happening at the moment, it shows us that the dollar is gaining some momentum. We've been playing around the same level there, but this is still a nice support area, if you can check. But it seems like the market seriously wants to actually break that level. We can, if I draw it like that, you will see that it's actually a level. But if we push it back, I think we're supposed to be around this. You see that? So this line actually, it's supposed to be a little bit thicker, but it's fine like this. And we'll see if maybe the market is breaking out of this, then obviously the market might start to go lower. But this mostly happens when we expect high impact news. The market might create this type of move, then tomorrow the market start to reverse. I hope that I hope you see that. So I still believe if the market doesn't really do anything stupid around this level, I think we will see maybe the market trying to reverse and start to go higher again. Let's just hope that NFP is not going to be as what as we think, or maybe let's say it's going to be cooler, not really aggressive, because if it's going to be aggressive, I think we will see this market's reverse, right? So now we are on US oil. US oil has been on a very nice downtrend structure, but the market has been playing games around this level because I think we had a sell pending order and then the market is just playing around. But at the end of the day, I think you can see that the market is actually trying to play around the same levels. I like the fact that the market reached this resistance already around this level, so which means there is a chance for the market to do what? To reverse again. You see, but if the market tries to break out, that is also fine. There's nothing we can do. Then we can let it move out. Then I think the market will start to think about actually uptrend structures. But at the moment, I don't really see any breakout, but we have to wait and see because I still believe maybe we can have maybe a last sell before maybe we see a nice push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. Which one is this? And guys, we did talk about stocks, AMD, Tesla, and the other ones that we are going to add. So yeah, we are going to add them, but at the moment, I'm still trying to see which ones I can add because I also have to trade them. I have to do something that I will be trading. So this is what we have on Gbpusd. I thought maybe the market was going to bounce back because we had a proper bounce back here. Then the market seems to be reversing again. I think the market will be, it seems like the market will actually respect. You see, we had a previous resistance there. If the market doesn't really respect this area, it's obvious that we will be going down. But it's not really nice because all these markets are just following US stocks or the dollar. And yeah, we know that Germany at the moment, German economy or companies are not really performing very well. There are closures, companies are moving out and stuff like that. And that is not really nice. So most likely, I don't really expect a German 30 or 40 to just aggressively go up. But at the end of the day, it still seems like it's just following US stocks, and it's not really surprising, right? So maybe around this area, the market might bounce back. We will have to wait and see that. If that doesn't really happen, it means there's no any other way. The market might actually reverse there, and we will start to look for those sells, right? Or short positions. So if maybe you like this type of analysis, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who wants to be part of our group, our signals, you can just talk to me. You can choose any that you want. Lifetime signals, only $99. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.